I started this painting on the early months of March 2011. And at first I had this idea of doing those medieval figure of the Our Lady, that old people or the citizen of a city in her coat. And I saw those pictures of favelas in Brazil, where all the houses going down the hill looks like a coat, or looks like a coat. I could just draw a head on the top of the hill, and it would make, and put of course the two ends, but it would make the body that carried the city. And my idea was pretty peaceful, peaceful. And on the 11th of March happened the tsunami and the Fukushima meltdown, and it twisted totally the painting, and the sky turned red, and this dragon showed up and blew away the head of this pretty nice lady. And the citizens of the city start to, in a way, with their poor means, to fight back at the dragons. And what remained from the lady is just a hand hanging out from her coat, and the rest of her crown. We can see that the dragon burned down everything around, like the trees, and so everything is turned to ashes. And the dragon is laying eggs, which could be in a way frightening. They could be bombs, or eventually, more literally, like nuclear particles. And it's more related to the world of cold-blood animals, like such as snakes, turtles, dragons, if they ever existed. And then came those three people, which could be some type of one is obviously a monkey, because he still has the tail. The other one don't, but it's to show like they are in a way primitive people, so more related maybe to myth or unique ideas. And they are soothing the body, either the city or the woman, through this pain. And one is like really hanging on the end of the woman, and the center character has this like the sex, this opening where a baby could come. So they are like a midwife and a doula helping through this process. And but the painting was had such a violence that led to maybe more violence. So I wanted, in a way, to have some type of redemption to this situation. So then came out those two arms, which we can see one of the ends have 3 fingers, the other one have 7. So it makes the total amount of 2 fair hands of 10 fingers. But it shows that it's more about desire. So by kissing the death, by accepting the violence, bringing her into a process of redemption or birth, it gives a meaning or more a hope to this extremely violent situation.